Alright, what is up boys and girls? Welcome back to another video. Just taking a quick look at Vechain here on the daily time frame. As always, thank you very much for joining me. Please do like and subscribe, really helps out the channel. And leave a comment down below, let me know your thoughts on the current price action of Vechain. Check back every day, we are doing videos pretty much every single day, just some little daily updates on your favourite cryptos. Let me know down below what you want to see as well. Lots of people are always asking for Veracity and Vechain, but obviously I do kind of look at pretty much any single crypto I can get a chart for, so do let me know what you want to see. As we can see then, really just chopping it up after coming and touching this low here for Vechain, having a nice bounce at this low yet again, and you can see pretty much, as I spoke about in the last few videos, putting in a bit of a range. Ever since really we came down here, obviously you got your top and you form your range with your bottom here. Didn't quite touch this low that we reached here, but essentially nearing a bottom here around 1.5 cents with a high of around 3.3, 3.4 cents up here. You can see we've touched the high once, twice, 3 times, and the low once, twice, 3 or 4 times back here. Now back at around the middle of this range, you would say here. You can see breaking to the upside, finally breaking out of that basically year-long descending resistance here of this wedge. You can see really we fell at the bottom of it, came back to resistance again, fell at the bottom of it, and then finally broke the resistance here, and finally got back above that 100-day moving average. As you can see here, we broke above and actually got this overextension. I thought we'd probably see a little bit of resistance and retracement here, but we got that overextension again with that very overbought market in this area. Came up to the next swing high area, which is here after breaking this swing high. Now looking like really we are just doing that very simple thing of just breaking and retesting this level of resistance here. Looks like we're retesting it currently and cooling off in the markets. Vechain and everything else just following Bitcoin right now, as we well know. It's pretty obvious to me that we are essentially just following Bitcoin's lead. It's going to be interesting to see what happens next. Obviously, overall, I do think that we are going to see some very nice price movements for Vechain and the rest of the crypto market in the long term. In the short term, though, I do think Bitcoin is leading the market, and it is looking quite toppy in the current area, especially with how overbought that it currently is. As I said in my previous video for Veracity, the maximum pain outcome, in my opinion, this thing keeps getting in my way, it's really annoying me. The maximum pain outcome, in my opinion, will be we run up to this level here, clean out, literally clean out a ton of shorts in this area, and then go all the way back down and clean out all loads of longs all the way back down to this previous key area of resistance, anywhere from around 31 to 33k. I do think this is probably a fairly likely scenario. Maximum pain for everyone involved, and that's usually what happens in crypto. Remember that Bitcoin can move 5 or 10k in one day. As you can see here, we moved, what did we move from here? Down from around 30k all the way up to around 34k there, 34.2k, so 4.5k almost in one day and just in one candle. So we could easily see ourselves just plunge back down, liquidate so many longs here, and then just continue to the upside. If you look at this market structure as well, you can see it's pretty obvious that we're in a nice bullish trend, but I do think a retest in this area here is fairly likely sooner rather than later. But obviously Bitcoin unpredictable, and we could just see ourselves continue to the upside for absolute pain for the bears in the market. You can see obviously right now we are looking at essentially Vechain is just following what Bitcoin's been doing recently. Came down and touched the low, and we're probably expecting more than likely to be heading up, at least touching this 2.7 cent level at the 0.23 Fibonacci. We need to see it coming up and retesting the bear market resistance at around 4 cents currently. This has not been tested at all yet, and really it's been underperforming compared to a lot of altcoins that have started to move and consolidate or head to the upside in approaching this next bull run in the next 6 months or so. It's going to be very interesting to see what happens next. I'm very excited, but right now we are just waiting and seeing with Vechain, as with a lot of cryptos, but it does have a lot of work to do still. So that is it for today, guys. As always, thank you very much for watching. Please do like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.